Yo guys, what is up? Today I'll probably be just looking around at like an animal that will be with us, sticking with us, like one of these kind. As y'all can see, I do have 1,000 Robux right now. I don't know if I want to choose today or when because I have no clue what y'all want me to get. So that'll be the thing. I'll bring it back, guys. I'm back now. I do record in my room just to let y'all know. Um, or I might just be going through the catalog. This is what I want, but then I'm not sure. Or we just might get like a back accessory. It's not bad. There is a shoulder dragon. I don't get why they put this one so much. It's not even a limited. Should be a limited, I think, to be honest. See what's for the bag. What? This thing does not look good. Let's see. What's the neck? Um, There's a coral boa. Bruh. Okay, let me show y'all something really quick. Let's leave that page open. Okay, let me show y'all something really quickly. What's the difference? What is the freaking difference? Different than literally no freaking difference. Look. It's like, I don't know why oh, too much. Oh, this could sound see there, guys, I will be probably trying to save up for the Halo side when it comes out on Halloween or the Roblox Death Speaker. On my birthday, I'll probably like ask for Robux. Feature packages. Yeah, this is what I want. Guys, if y'all could help out by going, whoops, wrong thing, into my group called Low Price Clothing. I hope y'all can join it and This guy, he used to be my friend. I might get these actually. Unless, 1 second. Take this thing off really quickly. Okay, this is what I was looking for. I actually want to get these guys. Should we buy it? Let's buy it. I'll have 786. 768. My bad, guys. Okay, let's go ahead. Equip these. Let's see how they look. Okay, that's actually better than I was expecting it to be. Don't mind that. I was just doing that to look like a girl. Because, like, me and my friend, we were having a contest, like, who would be the best at dressing like a girl. And then I was like, I'll do it. And, like, he would be like, I'm down too. Let's go put this on. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, not bad. Let's look, guys. Let me show y'all something completed. I had to trade with this guy because I needed the catching snowflakes. Even this is more here. 3.9k. I was actually selling it. Yeah, this thing drops a lot though. Right now, I even have enough to get it. I really do not want to. What is this? Wait, I'm going to copy. What is that? Okay, let's go to Avatar. We are probably going to have for our back the Phoenix backpack, or let's see how the shoulder slot looks. I think we're actually going to the shoulder slot. But I really do not know. Well, Phoenix back. I think we're gonna go with Phoenix backpack. And I will be ending off the video right here because this is not gonna be too long of a video. So if y'all enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video and turn on bell notifications. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace!